future homeowners, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss to you the three types of housing loans here in the Philippines. Housing loan allow you to own a property without paying the amount in full upfront. But please be reminded that the financial institution will keep your property and title until you pay the mortgage in full. I know it's very overwhelming. That's why it's very crucial to know what type of housing loan that best fit for you and your family, your capacity to pay your incomes, and your future money goal. So let me discuss to you the pros, cons, and benefits of the three types of housing loans here in the Philippines: in-house, bank, and Pag-ibig Financing, so you will have an informed decision. First off, bank financing is the most popular choice here in the Philippines because of the lower interest rates. Currently, there are banks that offer as low as 4.99% up to 6.25% and flexible payment terms. There are banks that offer as long as 25 years to pay. The only downside with bank financing is that the applications are harder. As in, they require a long list of requirements and very thorough with a credit investigation. So if you want to apply for a bank financing, make sure to clean up your credit history. Or maybe before paying that reservation, get pre-approved first, okay? Next up is in-house financing. In-house financing is a type of loan that offered by some developers. In-house financing is very lenient with your application. Some of them didn't even do any credit approval, and they only required for you to pay the down payment and provide the initial documents. So you don't need to provide so much paperwork to get this type of loan. Unfortunately, the disadvantage of this housing loan is that the monthly amortization could be high. Because of the shorter term, there's our developer that offers 5 years to pay, and few offer as much as 10 years to pay, and a high interest rate. The interest rate could go up to 18%. It will vary from developer to developer. So if you're planning to apply for in-house financing, make sure to have a multiple source of income. Last but not least is Pag-ibig Financing. This is kind of provident fund but offered by our government so that they could help our employee and Filipinos here in the Philippines to own also their dream home. They could loan up to 6 million pesos as long as they have a 24 months contributions in Pag-ibig, also the capacity to pay. What I mean with the capacity to pay? Let's say your monthly income, net income is 50,000 pesos. Your maximum loanable amount to Pag-ibig is only 2 million pesos. I will provide a link below so that you will know how much to loan through Pag-ibig based on your net income. Another thing about Pag-ibig Financing is that they have an interest rate that could be budget friendly based on the terms. For example, for 1 year fixed terms, you could get a 5.35% add-on interest rate up to 10% for 30 years fixed term. The only disadvantage with Pag-ibig Financing is that the processing is kind of tedious and very rigorous. And also, it could take longer, up to 4 months. That's why some developers didn't offer Pag-ibig Financing because it's very rigorous, not only on behalf of the clients or buyer, but also on the behalf of the developers because of the long list of requirements. Aside from that, the release of loan will take longer. So if you wanted some government support and use your benefits with our government, then Pag-ibig Financing is a good to go. I hope this episode helped you to make an informed decision of what type of housing loan that you will avail. If you wanted some stability and lower monthly amortization, bank financing is a good to go. But if you wanted easier application, then I think you could consider in-house financing. But if you wanted government support and to not waste your benefits, then Pag-ibig Financing is the best option for you. Remember, when owning a home, you need to be informed, do your research, and if you think it's very overwhelming, then you could seek some expert advice just like me. So, I hope I could be part of your home search journey. Again, I'm Jolene Doon, your best real estate advisor, and hope to see you soon. Bye!